Hello, my best students. Today's episode is not just about learning, it's about feeling the language flow through your mind and into your daily life. So stay with me till the end. Your English, your confidence, and your future self will thank you for it. Let's begin. Let's learn a useful expression. Break the ice. When you meet someone new and feel a little shy, you might say something funny to break the ice. For example, she told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. That little moment makes everyone feel more relaxed. Here's another one. Hit the books. No, not literally. It means to study hard. Like, I have to hit the books tonight before the big test. Now let's try let the cat out of the bag. When you reveal a secret, you let the cat out of the bag. He let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Feeling sick? You might say, I'm under the weather. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. It's a nice way to say you're not feeling well. Here's a powerful one. The ball is in your court. That means it's your turn to act. I've done my part. Now the ball is in your court. How about this? Spill the beans. Similar to letting a secret out. She spilled the beans about their secret vacation. Something super easy? A piece of cake. That exam was a piece of cake. Meaning, it was very easy. Want to talk about something expensive? It costs an arm and a leg. That luxury car costs an arm and a leg. Something rare? Once in a blue moon. We go out to a fancy dinner once in a blue moon. Working hard late at night? Burn the midnight oil. He had to burn the midnight oil to finish the report. Now here's something beautiful. A blessing in disguise. Something that looks bad, but ends up being good. Losing that job was a blessing in disguise. Avoiding the real issue, beat around the bush. Stop beating around the bush and answer the question. Someone says something exactly right? Hit the nail on the head. You hit the nail on the head with that idea. Making things worse? Add fuel to the fire. Yelling at her only added fuel to the fire. Ready to face something hard? Bite the bullet. I decided to bite the bullet and go to the dentist. Want to stop for the day? Call it a day. Let's call it a day and continue tomorrow. Doing something in a lazy or cheap way? Cut corners. They cut corners when building the house, and now it has problems. Doing more than expected? Go the extra mile. She always goes the extra mile for her clients. Feeling discouraged? Hang in there. Things are tough now, but hang in there. In trouble? In hot water. He found himself in hot water after missing the meeting. Forgiven or excused? Let someone off the hook. The teacher let me off the hook for being late. Missing a chance. Miss the boat. I missed the boat on that investment opportunity. Stay alert. Be on the ball. You've got to be on the ball to succeed in this job. Joking with someone? Pull someone's leg. Are you pulling my leg, or is that true? How's it going? So far, so good. We just started the trip, and so far, so good. Someone walks in while you're talking about them. Speak of the devil. Speak of the devil. Here she comes now. Giving up? Throw in the towel. He finally threw in the towel and quit the job. Uncertain? Up in the air. Our vacation plans are still up in the air. Don't know? Your guess is as good as mine. Your guess is as good as mine when it comes to this riddle. Trying really hard? Bend over backwards. She bent over backwards to make him happy. Doing things correctly? By the book. He always does everything by the book. Face the consequences? Face the music. It's time to face the music and accept the consequences. Time to leave? Hit the road. It's getting late. Let's hit the road. All going through it together? In the same boat. We're all in the same boat during this crisis. Following a trend? Jump on the bandwagon. Everyone's jumping on the bandwagon with that new trend. A polite way to say someone died? Kick the bucket. Sadly, our neighbor kicked the bucket last week. Don't start old problems. Let sleeping dogs lie. Don't bring it up. Let sleeping dogs lie. Make it short. To make a long story short, we missed our flight. Unexpected? Out of the blue. She called me out of the blue after 5 years. Control yourself. Pull yourself together. Stop crying and pull yourself together. Spoil the fun. Rain on someone's parade. I don't mean to rain on your parade, but that idea won't work. Agree completely? See eye to eye. We finally saw eye to eye on the project. Be skeptical? Take it with a grain of salt. Take that advice with a grain of salt. Enjoy 2 benefits, the best of both worlds. Working from home gives me the best of both worlds. Time moves fast. Time flies. Time flies when you're having fun. Sounds fake? Too good to be true. That deal sounds too good to be true. Never gonna happen? When pigs fly. He'll clean his room when pigs fly. Strong agreement? You can say that again? This movie is amazing, and you can say that again. Watch carefully. Keep an eye on. Can you keep an eye on my bag while I'm gone? And finally, actions speak louder than words. He says he cares, but actions speak louder than words. Now that you've learned some powerful phrasal verbs, let's switch gears and dive into something even more fun, real, everyday slang. These are the kind of words native speakers use when they talk casually with friends. So let's explore them together. Here's a slang expression you might hear. Cool. For example, that movie was really cool. It's casual, natural, and native. Try using it yourself. Here's another one. Bummer. It's such a bummer that the event got canceled. Something disappointing, right? Feeling tired? Crash means to fall asleep quickly. I'm so tired I'm going to crash early tonight. Something amazing. Epic. That concert was absolutely epic. Just wow. Need to cancel plans? Bail. He decided to bail on the party last minute. Want to relax? Chill. Let's just chill and watch a movie. Powerful comeback? Savage? She made a savage comeback during the debate. Studying hard last minute? Cram. I have to cram for my exam tomorrow. Show off? Flex. He likes to flex his new sneakers. Someone disappears without a word? Ghost. She ghosted me after our first date. Legendary? GOAT means greatest of all time. That athlete is the GOAT. Excited? Hyped. I'm so hyped for the weekend trip. Fun party? Lit. The party last night was lit. A quiet feeling? Low-key. I'm low-key nervous about the interview. Or the opposite, high-key. He high-key loves attention. Feeling upset? Salty. He's salty because he lost the game. Suspicious behavior? Shady. That guy seems a little shady. Stylish and sharp? Snatched. Her outfit is snatched. She looks amazing. Gossip time? Tea. Spill the tea. I want to know what happened. Desperate for attention? Thirsty. He's acting thirsty for likes on Instagram. Socially aware? Woke. She's very woke when it comes to social issues. Very tired? Zonked. I'm completely zonked after that workout. Insult someone? Throw shade. She threw shade at her ex in that post. Telling the truth? No cap. This movie is the best. No cap. Delicious? Bussin'. These tacos are bussin'. So tasty. Fashionable? Drip? He showed up with serious drip. Look at that jacket. Did something amazingly well? Slay? She slayed her presentation today. Comfortable atmosphere? Vibe? This cafe has such a relaxing vibe. No money? Broke? I can't go out tonight. I'm broke. Hungry plus angry. Hangry. Don't talk to me. I'm hangry. Hit me up. Hit me up if you want to hang out this weekend. It means contact me. Reach out. In no time. We finished the project in no time. Very fast. Super quick. Keep it real. I always try to keep it real with my friends. Stay honest. Stay genuine. On point. Her makeup is always on point. Perfect, sharp, flawless. Throwback. This photo is such a throwback to high school days. Something nostalgic from the past. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for the next episode. Don't go away. More is coming. I'm down. I'm down for pizza tonight. I agree. I'm in. All ears. I'm all ears. Tell me what happened. I'm listening carefully. Big deal. Getting that job was a big deal for her. Very important. A big achievement. Blow off steam. I went for a run to blow off some steam. To relax. To release stress. By the way, did you hear the news? Changing the topic smoothly. Cheat day. Today is my cheat day, so I'm eating ice cream, a fun break from healthy habits. Crash course. He gave me a crash course on how to use the software. A fast, quick lesson. Down to earth. She's rich but very down to earth. Humble, real, simple. Face palm. When I saw the mistake, I just did a face palm. A silent, oh no moment. For real. Are you for real? That's crazy. Really? Are you serious? In the loop. Keep me in the loop about the project. Keep me updated. Don't leave me out. It's not rocket science. Come on, it's not rocket science. Just press the button. It's not that hard. I'm kinda tired today. Sort of. A little bit. Lighten up. Hey, lighten up. It's just a joke. Don't be so serious. My bad. Oops, my bad. I didn't mean to interrupt. My mistake. I'm sorry. No worries. No worries. I can help you later. It's okay. Don't worry. On the same page? Let's make sure we're on the same page before we begin. Let's agree. Let's align. Piece of work. That guy is a real piece of work. Complicated, difficult, or weird. Right off the bat. He asked a hard question right off the bat. Immediately, from the start. Sit tight. Sit tight. I'll be back in 5 minutes. Wait patiently. Take it easy. Take it easy and rest up. Relax. Slow down. What's up? Hey, what's up with you today? What's going on? How are you? You name it. They have everything. Burgers, fries, shakes, you name it. They have it all. Zero chill. He has zero chill when he's excited. Too excited. No control. You did it. You stayed, you listened, and you grew. Progress with every word. If this episode helped you even a little, imagine what's coming next. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and keep flowing with us. Your English journey has only just begun, and I'll be right here with you.